Hi, welcome back to my Jamboree vlogs. So I've had quite a busy week with loads of Jamboree activities and fundraising. So on Tuesday I went to my clubs and I gave them a presentation about why I applied for the Jamboree and what I'm looking to get out of it. Then on that night my scouts had a parents' night, so I was selling a few more fundraising stuff like hearts and sweets and stuff, and I also bought this badge from our sister unit 33 because one of my friends was selling them, and it just makes me more excited to see what our badges are going to look like. And then on Wednesday my dad's work had their fundraising day, so they raised about £260, which I'm sharing with another scout. So I raised £130 that day off the tabletop triathlon games and loads of cakes and pies and everything. So that brings me to my best news, because I've got so far I've raised a lot of money, and I've raised about just over £2,000. That's actually mad. I really can't believe that. Thank you so much to everyone who's helped us out or given money, bought stuff from us. That's actually crazy. I can't believe it. And I've still got a year and over a year to still fundraising. So that just proves that you can actually fundraise quite a lot of your money. So it's just crazy. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And don't forget that I've still got my world map, so give us the information about your unit and everything like that. Thanks for watching. Bye!